Today is the day, and I am so excited about this new addition to the home office setup. Let's bring it in, shall we? Oh my god, this box is freaking heavy. I've heard this only takes like 15 to 20 minutes to actually set up. Oh boy, let's go. Woo. Well, it says just to lift it up from here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my goodness. That was massive. That's what she said. Just a side note, I did a 2-hour recording session of doing a desk setup tour of my whole entire space, and my audio failed. So I can see right now that it's working, but I wish that worked 2 hours ago. But we're not gonna let that defeat us today. We are moving forward and we're unboxing the Bambu Lab P2S Combo Guide. I'm gonna have at least one win today, and that's getting this up and running and making my first print. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Woo! That's so sketch. Wow, it's so nice, man. Look at this. It's huge. Like so. Just to preface, this is my very first 3D printer. Bear with me, okay? I'm just completely new to this whole thing. Wow, shiny. And that should just slide right off. Ah. So we're gonna take out the AMS. Ugh. Oh, this thing's huge. Ooh, damn. Take out these foam pieces. That was a little scary. So this top panel glass comes back now. Nice. We're making some headway here, guys. Install the touchscreen now. Sweet. Whoa. I think I installed this upside down. Oh, maybe I did have it the right way. Okay, well, let's just redo that. Oh, there. Woo, that new. Put that there. Oh. Ah. All right, time to power this bad boy on. Let's do this thing. Calibrating, let's go show you some filament that we bought. Didn't want to try any special materials just yet, as we're still just, figuring things out. But we got some PLA white, and they all came with the spools. Funny story, I was at the 3D printing shop, and the guy who owns it, I think, or who runs it, is an old classmate of mine from high school, but I'm pretty sure he didn't recognize me at all. We barely interacted. And it was just kind of like you knew people through other people type of thing. And so, it was okay. Like I was typing my name in, and he's asking, okay, what's your name? I can get you registered into the system. And then I was like, yeah, it's Alomar, A-L-O-M. And that's when I knew that he didn't know. We got black filaments, really nice. And yeah, I'm super excited just to get into this whole hobby, man. This feels like a new era for me. Honestly, it just feels like starting a new journey for my creativity, especially. It's gonna be cool, I think. I also got gray. I should have got more colors, but you know what? It's fine. I think this is gonna be a good start for now. Because I also got, I don't know why, but red. I just thought red would be kind of cool. So, yeah. Here's the 4 spools that I got. Yeah. All right, we just got a notification here. You're all set. Time to create. Get started. Okay. Well, actually, first, we need to get some filament in here. And so we unboxed all our filament here, and we're just going to get this installed. But actually, there's actually a few more things in here. There's like some foam that we gotta take out. So let's take that out and make sure everything else is nice and ready. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, actually really funny. I don't know how to install the filament, so I'm gonna need to look for a video and how to do it. So let's go do that really quick. Oh, well, it'd be helpful if I unclip those. So apparently we just push this forward. Ooh. Sweet. All right, now we're just gonna do that for the other ones. All right. It's actually really cool. It's just kind of doing its own thing and just setting up. And I think the reason why I got black, gray, white, and red is to make a Pokeball. So I think one of the goals is just to make a Pokeball. All right, last one. Let's load it up. Boom. I think we're all loaded. Let's close this bad boy up. I know I want to get started right away making my first print, but I know that everyone who has started with their very first 3D printer, or even just their first print in general with their 3D printer, they've been doing the 3D Benji, the boat. So I think that's what we're going to do first. And I want to show you just on the interface here, because what's really cool about the P2S is that it has pictures. The touch screen, or the screen in general, has been upgraded. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Okay. Bed, living, and flow calibration is in auto mode. Click OK to learn more. Okay. PLA. What color do we want it? I think to really see the lines, I think we'll do gray. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Our first print. All right, we'll see it in about 20 minutes, it says, 23 minutes. So, yeah, we'll check back soon, but I want to see the first print lines. This is so neat. I'm so excited for the possibilities that this is unlocking, especially in terms of like what the things I can create, the things for my desk setup, organization, things around the house, like kitchen stuff and organizers, and so cool. We're even thinking about like baby toys and whatnot, and just documenting this process right now is pretty damn cool. I have like these random weights I got. So hopefully this helps make it less wobbly on the desk. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. We got a boat. We got a boat, everyone. Look at it. It's a boat. I think I have to let it cool off in there before we actually pull it off. So, yeah, let's do that, right? Yeah. Guys, look we did it. Our very first print. Here it is. We did it. All right, let's take it off. And it actually looks pretty solid. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty good. Check it out. Really smooth. I'm gonna have a lot of fun trying to play with the settings and whatnot, but so far, super satisfied. And there's like this, I don't have the scraper thing yet. Oh, okay, that came off pretty easily. So, one 3D print done. Oh, wow, it's like super strong and magnetic. What should we print next? I'm trying to think of something. I don't know. I think I might have to try to like make my own design and figure it out. A couple things. I know this is kind of overkill. Bambu Labs P2S as my very first 3D printer. Yes, I get it. It's like it's like me starting all the way up here. But the way I see it, it's an investment. Not only that, but you know, by the time that I'm actually wanting to upgrade to a newer and faster machine, you know, I'm gonna already have it here. And overall, my first impressions, this printer is fast, it's consistent, it works. And you know, I've heard that, you know, Bambu Labs is like the Apple of 3D printing, and I can see why. Just with the few prints that I've already done already, like the quality has been so good. And when things just work and they, you know, I can go from point A to point B just super quick, you know, I'm on board. That's what my channel is about, making my content creation process as frictionless as possible, but also my making process now. I wanted that to be as frictionless as possible too. And I heard that this was just like plug and play. I can get my prints done and they're gonna look good and they're gonna feel good. So that was a huge plus for me. And the P2S, I knew that was gonna get the job done. And you know what, the A1 Mini, the A1 or the P1S, they probably could have done a job just as well. But just the simple fact that Bambu Labs came out with this printer, and if I bought the P1S, I just knew that all those little details, I'm gonna be pointing it out. I'm gonna be seeing it and I'd be like, oh, I should have bought it. I knew it. So I know myself too well. That's just how it is. But also talking with my wife, you know, she wants to make some stuff for stationery. And also in just a couple of months, I'm gonna be a first-time girl dad. So I'm super excited about that. And we're also thinking about making baby toys, you know, the ones that are safe, non-choking hazard baby toys, okay? And we also have 2 cats. So we're gonna print some cat toys, some stuff, and cat feeders, right? I just feel like the possibilities are endless at this point. Just going through Maker Lab and sifting through all the designs, there's so many cool things that I'm so excited about, and just how amazing the printing community is. Like, there are so many solutions to different niche problems. People have made designs out there already. You probably 9 times out of 10 you'll search something up and you'll actually have something. Like right now, I'm trying to figure out how to make my pegboard a little bit more organized and look a little bit more aesthetic. And yeah, there's like some things that I've done already where I've printed a top shelf. So there's this top shelf that I was able to print really quickly. So I did that. And not only that, but I also did like, there's like a poop chute, that's what they're calling it, on the P2S that I printed on the back. I also printed the scraper that I was talking about earlier. So that was really neat. And just even that alone, I was like, wait, I could just print my own accessories. I can print my own tools. Whoa. So someone who is a first timer with just even using a 3D printer, this was a very painless process. I'm just so stoked about it, and the future is looking bright. And even just the possibility of maybe starting my own business or a side gig of selling 3D prints or models, something that is very niche and can solve a good problem that's out there in the market. I'm really thinking about it right now. I haven't thought of anything specific just yet, but you know, the gears are turning. The gears are turning. Yeah, because I know it's been a while since I actually posted a long form video. I'm just so happy to be posting this video right now. And all these different project ideas are just floating in the air, man. It's crazy. It's just amazing how much one tool can actually inspire you to be a little bit more creative, to do more things, and just to create more. We're closing in on 1K subs on the channel. We are so close, so let's end the year strong. I'm hoping to post more videos and just be a little bit more consistent. It's been a little bit of a lull, I know that, but yeah, we're doing the thing. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace.